Hello, hello, hello. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I'm gonna show you very fast how you can connect AzuraCast streaming with BAT. Okay, another program that you can do broadcasting and connect to your AzuraCast service. I'm gonna show you very fast. You see, that's the BAT over here. I have already opened the settings. I'm gonna show you here, and I have it already connected here. Okay, you see that I connected before. I'm gonna connect it again to show you exactly how it's done. You're gonna have to click settings, and you're gonna add your server. Okay, you're gonna write the name of the server, and if your AzuraCast is broadcasting to Shoutcast, that's the typical and usual thing that's gonna do. uh, you're gonna just select Shoutcast, and you have to add the address of the server, the port, and the password. I'm gonna show you here the one that I added. It's the Free Spirit streaming here. You can write anything you want to the name of the server. You type the type of the broadcasting is Shoutcast, and the address of the server over here is aphrodite.freespirits.gr. The port, that's where you have to be very careful. It's not the 8000 that it says over here, because you see I am broadcasting with 8000 over here with the Shoutcast. You're gonna have to write over here one port less, 7999. It's the port to our situation here, and you just add this one to the port, and here to password you just have to write source, the okay then the password, and then again you're gonna have to mention the number of the streaming. You see here, that's the number of the streaming. You see the whole password here as I write it down. I'm gonna write to the description of this video exactly the way you have to write down the password, so that you're not going to make any mistakes. In fact, the password, it's the one that is used for the source, and it's this one, as you can see it over here. You can copy it from here, from your AzuraCast server panel, and you have to put it over here. You see, that's the exact password I'm gonna use. So you save the settings and you're done. That's all. You see here, I'm running Auto DJ service, and it's playing some songs while there is nobody is connected to the server. If you want to use but to connect, you're gonna have to stop manually the Auto DJ and then connect. Because if you're gonna try to connect as the Auto DJ is playing, you're gonna just see this message over here connecting, and nothing is gonna happen. Okay. So the point is that if you want to connect it easily, you're gonna have just to stop the Auto DJ service from here. Okay, gonna click confirm, and I'm gonna click over here. You're gonna see that it's gonna connect easily and fast, and that's so easy that you can connect AzuraCast with um, the bot player. Okay, uh, that was all. I guess it was really easy to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case you have any other program that you are trying to connect to AzuraCast, you can just write down um, to the comments, and I'm gonna create another video to showcase exactly how you're gonna be able to use it and connect to your AzuraCast server. If you enjoyed this video, just click subscribe to see more videos like that, and more documentations about AzuraCast and other stuff that it has to do usually with WordPress and web design and all those stuff, and advertising. And uh, don't forget to like the video, and for any kind of questions, feel free to write it in the comment. Thank you very much. and wish you the best. Bye bye.